Have you ever wondered if your toilet tank is leaking into the bowl? Do you hear your toilet coming on and off consistently? There's one way to find out. This is a leak detector dye tablet. It's very simple. You just remove the lid to your toilet tank. Take these blue dye tablets out and drop them in. They will turn all the water inside your tank blue. Wait for it to dissolve. Come back in approximately 10 to 15 minutes or longer, and you might see blue in the tank or the bowl. If you see blue in the bowl, the water is leaking from the tank to the bowl. That's the time you need to call Garvin's for your friendly sewer service and plumbing needs.